Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming system requirements so Word runs smoothly. Insufficient RAM or disk causes crashes. Once done, sign into your Microsoft account because the installer checks your license. Make sure you know if you have Office 365, subscription, or a one-time license. This affects activation. Next, download the installer from your account services and subscriptions page. Downloading now saves time later, and you avoid corrupted installers by using the official source. Proceed to run the downloaded setup file. You run the installer with administrative privileges to prevent permission issues. During setup, choose typical installation unless you need specific components. Custom installs are useful for saving disk space. Once installed, launch Word. You will be prompted to sign in so the app can activate your license and sync settings. Make sure to enable automatic updates and OneDrive integration if you want cloud saves. This reduces version conflicts and keeps templates current. If prompted, restart the system to finalize drivers and integrations. You finish by confirming activation in File Account. An unactivated product shows clear prompts. If activation fails, run Office Repair from Control Panel or Settings because it fixes corrupted files and registry entries. Once repaired, make sure Windows Update and device drivers are current to avoid printing or display errors. If Word still misbehaves, run the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant or disable COM add-ins. These often cause crashes. Finally, test a document, a print job, and any macros to confirm everything now works.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.